Shut up and sit down.
Hi, this is Lee, the Bitter Gay Man, and you're joining me today for one of my blogs where I try on a bunch of StitchFix clothes because it took 5 fixes, but my fixer designer lady, the person who dresses me, put together a finally interesting wardrobe. So let's go through everything and see what looks best and what I'm keeping and what I'm not, and then I'm gonna toss you a link to get your own StitchFix going. Let's start off with the Ale. What are you? Aylesbury. So this is a custom garment. It's dyed by a custom method, so no two are alike. And it's a work shirt in XXL for me because I'm a fat ass. So I'm gonna try this on and see what it looks like. I'm thinking it might pair okay with the tie that they included, which is a wonderful pattern. It's like a vaguely paisley, but it's nice and blue and very soft, and it's $40. So this is the Ale shirt. It's so nice. It's an Aylesbury. Aylesbury, I'm not gonna remember that. But it's a nice shirt, it's a good fit, it's nice and loose, it's not too airy. I'm losing weight, so that might be a contributing factor, but I do like the shirt. I think it'll be great for work. Okay, I lied. I didn't put on the work shirt with the tie. I have another shirt in there, and I have this sweater. And the sweater is amazing, but it's a little bit itchy, and I don't like itchy. But I do have an amazing thing underneath. So here's my Fairlane cotton shirt. A nice little design there. It's blue. I have a lot of blue though. It keeps sending me blue and I need to tell them to stop sending me blue. But it's a nice shirt overall. It's a little loose in the cuff area, but that's fine. And the tie goes with it well. Although the tie stops at above my belly button, which would be great if I were shorter. And if you want to learn to tie a tie, like I just did, I'm going to link the tutorial that I put up formally up in the corner so that you can learn how to tie a tie as well and not make it a half-ass tying. Let me just show you the pants and then we'll talk about pricing. StitchFix runs in the above $40 category all the way up to like the 200s or 300s, but you can set your budget, and if something is too expensive they will adjust accordingly. But they're nice. They are jeans. They're made by Nashville, and they're straight cut, but it feels almost like a skinny cut because of the thickness of my legs. I'm keeping them. I normally wouldn't, but I think I can rock this, and I look good in them. You know, StitchFix gives you like a day or two to try them on, and then you ship it back in a, let me find it, prepaid envelope, so it's ready to go. They also just started doing underwear and socks, and you get this lovely little rundown of how much everything costs, and you get discount if you buy all of it. And usually I don't buy all of it. If you buy the entire thing, you get a 25% discount. If you join StitchFix on the link below, you'll get $25, I think, and I'll get $25. Won't that be great? You'll be helping me look better, and maybe I'll finally find a man and stop being bitter about everything. Then I'll just be bitter about traffic. Anyway, I've been Lee, the Bitter Gay Man. This has been StitchFix. You've been a website, and I will see you in my other shows.